assets went up, equity went up, and then the total is here. Let's put an underline under these, underline, and we'll put this as the balance. All right, and so now let's say time passed, 325, we received payment. Now, when we receive payment, it used to be that you would expect to receive a check in the mail, possibly, and then you would record that, finding the subledger that paid you the check and mark it off. Some of this might be done electronically now. It depends how sophisticated your accounting system is. If it's done electronically, then the system might be able to record the transaction basically automatically, although oftentimes you'll still have to kind of track it. Either way, however, we want to know what the transaction will be, so if there's a problem, we can drill down on it. So we still need to have an understanding of what is happening to deal with problems in the process. So we're going to say that we receive payment on account. Note when I say receive payment on